In this video, we're going to talk about an amazing AI tool that lets you turn your articles, blogs, or any documents into videos in just few simple clicks. The name of the tool is Kapwing. I'll leave the link in the description, and all you have to do is just click on that link to access the Kapwing document to video AI tool. Click on paste a document, and then it will take you to the editor page. Kapwing is a video editing tool, so you can just upload your own images or videos and then create a video from the scratch. But we're gonna use the Kapwing AI to generate the videos for us. Click here at the bottom and then select the document of video AI. Click on it and then you just have to paste in the content here. It could be from any articles or documents or any blog post you found online. For this video, we're gonna copy an article about the benefits of space exploration. So I just have to select all the text and then paste it in Kapwing. Go through the text for any mistakes or unnecessary things that you might have copied. After that, we have to select the aspect ratio. For Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts, we have to select the 9:16 ratio. And after that, we have to select the text style. These are the subtitles that will be generated by the AI. Select the one you like the most and then click on generate video from documents. And there you go, our video is ready. So this is your editor and the AI has added all the text, footages and even the music. All the animated text, footages is done by the AI. If you like this, you can use it straight away as it is and just click on export project and save it to your computer in MP4. But since it is a video editing tool as well, so you have the complete ability to customize it according to you. For example, in this part, I don't like this image, so let's just change that. Select the image and then delete it. And after that, I'm gonna head over to the left and click on images. From here, you can just search for whatever image you're looking for. Select the images that you like and then adjust the size. After that, just go to your right and then go down, select the layers and then click on backward. Alright, so we have the text now and the image is replaced. Select the image and then drag it over to the timeline. Now let's watch it. Much better. Let's just change this image as well. And now let's search for some videos. Select the video you like and then resize it. Send it to the back. Adjust the clip. And then let's watch it now. You can increase and decrease the length of a clip as well. Just click and make it shorter. And drag this here. So Kapwing added the music as well. But if you want to post the videos on YouTube, I would suggest you to go to YouTube Audio Library and then download any tracks from here. Select the music you like and then click on download. Go back to the editor and then replace this music with your own. Alright, so we have copied our music. Let's trim it. Adjust the volume of the music. And now let's watch our video. Alright, let's just make some final adjustments. We can animate the images as well. Click on effects and then click on moving zoom. Alright, and there you have it, folks. You have successfully created a video from your article. Alright, so do check out Kapwing AI, your amazing video AI tool that transforms your text into engaging videos with just few simple clicks. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next video.